The major driver for the unmanned or minimally manned offshore floating facility are, as usual, linked to improving safety, economics, and developing solutions. Advances in various technologies satisfy the industry desire to minimize human exposure in offshore environment, which can improve safety performance of asset. Safety focus is about using available advanced technologies to minimize human presence on offshore facilities and reducing human exposure to offshore hazards. Operators are increasingly opting to use tieback as a solution to development of field, which increases demand for support to subsea infrastructure. Other drivers for field development needs is water injection, pressure boost, utility supply, subsea treatment, chemical injection, and such. To improve support, operators are considering unmanned or minimally manned facility for servicing subsea infrastructure need to supply electricity, utility, chemical injection, control fluid, and such, which all consume space on host facility and it is not available. So industry is looking to develop economical safe solution. By minimizing human presence offshore, will improve CapEx, OpEx for such development. Digital technologies, robotics, data science, data management, communication, and autonomous control technology will allow operators to develop remote isolated facilities, small facilities, or special needs facilities economically to overcome the constraints and the need. Now let's talk about the key design and safety consideration for such a facility. Traditionally, class requirements for unmanned or minimally manned facility will be developed based on existing regulations, codes, and standards, along with the use of digital technologies to perform remote monitoring, remote diagnostic to access asset health, and provide arrangement for minimal crew or visiting crew to perform the routine tasks of oversight and maintenance. Safety of life and environment will be of primary consideration for development of such facility. The safety and design consideration for unmanned or minimally manned facilities should be based on input from a risk studies in implementing a robust lifecycle asset management approach to consider equivalent level of safety compared to the traditional manned facility. This includes emergency response for any undesirable event or situations. Risk-based approach will include the risk and technology assessment. These assessments are appropriate for dealing with the novel concepts and qualifying new technology that may be used for unmanned or minimally manned offshore floating facility.